Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today, I went to the power to buy these slime. I got two of them. This one I already used and there was a walrus inside of it. But before I get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give it a big thumbs up. Now let's get...
Hey guys, you're watching on my channel Just Vlog Once. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button for more updates. Stay safe and enjoy watching!
So basically, we are going to check out the starfish one since I already used the walrus. Look at it guys, there's starfish inside and it's bubbly too. Slime off so easily, but the walrus, like, you have to take out so much slime out of this. Super easy. There you go. The walrus is so easy. Now let's take out all this slime. I bought two because I like slime so much. Slime is the best. If you don't like slime, then you're an alien. Slime is so cool. Like, hear this. Wait. Look.
Wow.
Yeah, I know, right? That's why I bought two. Because
That's
one...
a weird sounds, guys.
Yeah, because that's how slime is made. You expect to make it slime and nobody will like slime.
Diba?
Yeah, see? It's also breakable. It's not like the slime like you would expect. It's like the kind of putty, you know, kind of wet. And it's like this thingy I saw on YouTube. What you do is basically you take your slime, you kind of stretch it a little bit, kind of make it like, you know, fall a little bit, and you take it out again, make it like drop a little bit, like that. It doesn't tell it. But it's called a crystal slime anima, because there's some animals in it. And it starts to tail. See?
Kita.
Meet the animals. Here is the slime. Basically, you could use a tennis racket to make it, you know, sound super satisfying, but my sister won't let me. So, yeah. Oops. It's super duper satisfying. Like, see these weird sounds? Wait.
Kita nilang sound pagkuhan.
What you do is you take the slime. You like,
Sound
you know,
paggamit nga enough nga amount sa slime.
You kind of make into like a little ball, but you don't have to if you don't want to. You kind of make it like a little bit of like a ball shape like this. That and like make it drop. Wait till like you get a little bit flat, and then what you do is you start poking your fingers in. One or two. I like to do one or two because it's way more satisfying. Here it is. Be quiet. That's what I like about slime. If you don't like slime, then you're an alien. I'm already I'm gonna pop them. See, I told you, Pa. Having slime is good because sometimes bubbles wear up here. I think there's something that. Oh, actually, wait. So, guys, I did this thing like a few minutes ago. How to get the perfect amount of slime. That done. Take the lid you got, look at this. Doesn't matter what type it is. Take the lid, put it in the slime, and like make sure like it dissolves. Like do this a little bit, like that. Then pull it. Oh. Then pull it out after. My hair okay. And after you're done that, you see this slime in there. Pull it out, and you get the perfect amount of slime. It's actually super fun. See, look, you got the perfect amount. See here, you got your perfect amount. I know it's not like a lot, but this is the perfect amount to me. If it's not the perfect amount, then maybe I'm wrong. But it is kind of like a little bit. If you want to make more, okay, do it again.
Ew.
That was not supposed to happen, but the slime just farted, guys. That was funny. We're gonna replay that after. And then take it out. And then out. And if you wanna put them together, do that, and it will be even much bigger one. Like, you know, it's a little bit of like the same. I think there's something that you could do to make it. I don't know what to do with it. I just found it. Noodles, anyone? Just kidding. Don't eat slime. But like they make this cool sound. Look.
That's cool.
See? And one more thing, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to Dad.